Presenting the Dodge 2014 Grand Caravan SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: power seat, power sliding doors, power liftgate, 2 keys fobs and more. Second row buckets with fold-in floor, 3.16 axle ratio, third row seats, split bench, 4-wheel disc brakes, 6 speakers, ABS brakes, AM/FM radio and adjustable pedals. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.